Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove null values in Power BI. And the first thing I want you to go in and do is come here to the home section in the top panel and then click on this down arrow under transform data. Click here on transform data. Now this will actually open up your Power BI queries, okay? And from here, I want you to go ahead and just come here where you see remove rows. Okay, we are able to click on this down arrow and we get this option that says remove blank rows. So it will go ahead and look through all the rows from the whole table and remove all the blank rows. All you have to do is just click on this and it would begin the process. So as you can see, it has removed all the blank rows and we should not have any more none values. Okay, there's no null values and it's really that easy and simple. You can just close this now and you're done. Make sure you save the changes and there you go.